Hey guys, what's up? So, this week we'll see Brexit happening and a lot of fluctuations in GBP pairs. So, I was just wondering that what will happen to Gbpnzd and how this pair will react when the news will come or so I was just wondering to start to analyze GBP pairs. So, let's start with Gbpnzd first. So, this pair is, let me just open a 1 week chart and see. So, if you have listened to my previous videos, I have showed some of my steps that how do I start analyzing any pair, any price action or any chart. So this is a 1 week chart. I know the trend is down and it starts to go up from here, but overall it's in a downtrend. So let me just draw some clear support and resistance and trend lines. So okay, fine. So the first line, perfect. Okay, yeah. So I can see that price starts to go up. We see double bottom here. So I will just draw um, yeah, something like that. And then we see when price reach this peak and this peak, so it created a double top here. So I will just mark these two important areas. Mm, okay, fine. That is it. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go down to a daily chart and see what's happening. Okay, so I'll just mark that these two areas, key major areas, and if you see the trend line, one touch is here, one touch is here, and another touch. This could happen if it goes down. Let's see if we have any chance. Okay, what are we seeing here? Let's just wait and see the chart first. Okay, so impulse moved towards downside, some good correction towards down, but rejected this key area and then went up again, and then okay, that means we still have a good selling pressure here, and this looks like a left shoulder head and a right shoulder. And if it breaks this line and goes down, let me just create some more trend lines and see what's happening. So I'll draw this one as well. Okay, this looks like price is supporting these points and heading up, but uh, the the push towards upside is minimum and not that strong. Here the push was strong, but here the push is not that strong. Okay, this looks okay. Let me draw Fibonacci as well and see. Okay, okay, so price went down, retraced at the key level 50%, but now trying to go up. Not sure whether it'll go up or not, but let's see. Okay, so if I draw few more things, I would say that this will be my left, or I will draw the pattern itself. So I can say that this, maybe this area it's fine. Then this, then this, and then this. So kinda head and shoulders, but you cannot just get perfect setups all the time. So what I'm looking here is that once it breaks this channel, this small channel and then price starts to go down, we might see a larger movement towards downside. So last time when Brexit announced in 2016, uh, GBP fell down a lot. So if you see in 2016, I don't know whether it was September, June, July, August, September, I think. In September, I think. But somewhere here we see a greater move towards the downside. I don't know whether this area, but in 2016 it happened. So um, if the deal is okay and everything goes okay, then there'll be no issues. We might see that price starts to go up after touching this trend line. So we have, this is a key area. So if I delete this and mark the key area, so let's go down at a 4-hour chart and see more clear picture. Okay, perfect. So I'm more concerned somewhere here. So if it breaks this, there are more chances that it might drop to this level further. So in few days we will see very high movements in this pair. So just keep an eye, and if you have a good opportunity to sell, you can sell this pair, and so it'll be like this. So once it breaks here, you can sell it somewhere here, somewhere here, and then just keep the stops just above the trend line, and then the target area will be this. So it is like 1:5 risk to reward ratio. But if everything goes well, you can do the same thing. You can go long, and if you see higher movement here and a pushback here, you can go long, and the you can say you can keep a higher stop loss. That's not a problem, because if it's a long setup, it might take some time, but it will break the previous high. So if it break the previous high and goes towards 2.1, that will be also a good risk to reward setup 1:3. So this is just a small analysis on Gbpnzd. Anything can happen. Just try to focus on this key area right now and see if price is breaking these zones, and then you can take your position accordingly. Thank you. Thank you for watching.